Have you ever wondered if you're unknowingly making mistakes as a cat parent? Don't worry, we're diving into the top slip-ups cat owners make and how to fix them. Together. Let's be honest. Owning a cat is both a joy and a puzzle. One moment they're purring angels. The next, they're knocking your coffee off the table. But here's the catch. Even with our best intentions, we might be doing things that harm our cats. No judgment here. I've made these mistakes too. Are you ready to uncover these common pitfalls? Let's start with a big one. Mistake number 1. Feeding cats the wrong diet. It's tempting to share your dinner with your cat. After all, what harm can a tiny bite of pizza do? But did you know certain human foods are toxic to cats? Onions, garlic, chocolate, and even grapes can make your cat seriously ill. And those table scraps? They can lead to obesity and malnutrition. Instead, stick to high-quality cat food. Check the ingredients for real meat as the first item. Avoid fillers like corn and wheat. Want to give treats? Cooked chicken or small portions of canned tuna in water can be a safe option. Mistake number 2, ignoring mental stimulation. Cats might act cool, but they get bored too. A bored cat can become destructive or even depressed. Have you ever come home to shredded curtains or mysterious claw marks? That's your cat saying, "I need more fun." Interactive toys, puzzle feeders, and a variety of scratching posts are game changers. And don't forget quality playtime. A simple feather wand or laser pointer can turn your cat's day around. Mistake number 3, skipping vet visits. Raise your hand if you've postponed a vet visit. We've all been there. But skipping checkups can lead to undetected health issues. Cats are masters at hiding pain. By the time they show symptoms, the problem might be serious. Routine checkups help catch problems early. Vaccinations, dental care, and weight checks are essential for their health. If you think vet visits are stressful, try a calming pheromone spray or a cozy carrier. A little prep can make a big difference. Mistake number 4, overlooking litter box hygiene. This one's big. A dirty litter box isn't just unpleasant, it's harmful. Cats are clean creatures. If their litter box is gross, they might avoid it altogether. And that can lead to accidents around the house, or even urinary issues. Scoop daily, change the litter weekly, and make sure the box is in a quiet, safe spot. Pro tip: have one more litter box than the number of cats you own. It's a rule they'll appreciate. Mistake number 5. Assuming cats are low maintenance. There's a myth that cats take care of themselves. While they're independent, they still need care, love, and attention. Do you brush your cat regularly? Long-haired breeds like Persians can develop painful mats without it. Even short-haired cats benefit from brushing. It reduces shedding and keeps their coat shiny. And don't forget dental care. Yes, brushing your cat's teeth sounds impossible, but dental treats or water additives can help. Mistake number 6. Not cat-proofing your home. Your home might seem safe, but cats are curious adventurers. Cords, small objects, and open windows can be dangerous. Have you ever found your cat chewing a phone charger? It's more common than you think. Secure cords with covers. Keep small items out of reach. And invest in window screens to prevent accidental falls. Mistake number 7, neglecting social needs. Cats are often misunderstood as solitary creatures, but they crave companionship. If you're gone for long hours, consider getting a second cat for company, or set aside dedicated time to bond with your cat. Even a quick cuddle session or a few kind words go a long way. Mistake number 8, forgetting hydration. Cats aren't big water drinkers by nature, but dehydration can lead to kidney problems and urinary tract issues. Encourage drinking by placing multiple water bowls around the house. Or try a pet water fountain. Many cats prefer running water. Adding a little water to their wet food is another sneaky hydration trick. Mistake number 9, ignoring subtle behavior changes. Is your cat hiding more than usual? Eating less? Even subtle changes in behavior can signal something's wrong. Pay attention to their habits and mood. When in doubt, consult your vet. The biggest mistake of all, not learning. The fact that you're here means you care. And caring is the first step toward being the best cat parent. Mistakes happen. What matters is learning from them and making changes. Now, let me ask you, which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Are there any you've experienced firsthand? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cat care tips. Your feline friend will thank you. Until next time, stay possum.